Hey guys, sorry for the delay. Unfortunately, the Jaguars never did pay, so we're going to sell the Jaguars at the final bid price to Angels Win 2008. So he's sending me PayPal for that. He's got a bunch of other teams, so I trust him, and we're going to get this going. This is 2010 Playoff Contenders, box LF319 9273. Sorry about that. Just show you guys that here. LF319, this lighting's pretty bad. 319179273. Still sealed here. And here we go. Good luck to everybody who joined. We will be mailing out everything, including base. And just a reminder, for instance, Brett Favre Super Bowl ticket autograph would go to the Packers, not the Vikings. It's going to be the team that the player is pictured with, not their current team. And all the other rules were laid out in the auction. So, good luck to everybody. Pack 1. Brandon Pettigrew for the Lions. Mark Clayton for the Rams. Rookie ticket auto for the Broncos. Wrong Bronco, but Eric Decker, rookie ticket auto. For the Saints, Reggie Bush, and Cedric Benson for the Bengals. Pack number 2. For the Texans, Matt Schaub, Kenny Britt for the Titans, Des Bryant, insert, for the Cowboys, Peyton Manning for the Colts, and Chris Cooley for the Redskins. Pack 3. Matt Castle, Chiefs. Roddy White for the Falcons. Be nice if this was autographed. For the Colts, Peyton Manning, Super Bowl ticket, non-auto. Mike Wallace for the Steelers, and Anthony Armstrong for the Redskins. Come on, golden ticket. For the Vikings, Percy Harvin. Got a rookie ticket coming for the Eagles. For the Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick. And rookie ticket auto for the Eagles, Riley Cooper. Danny Woodhead for the Patriots. That is a rookie. This is his only rookie card, I think, besides Press Pass. And Jonathan Stewart for the Panthers. Pack number 5, I believe. For the Bills, Fred Jackson. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. And we have a dual, Demaryius Thomas and Des Bryant. This will go to the Broncos, top to bottom, left to right on the duals. No exceptions, sorry about that. Michael Turner for the Falcons, and Ahmad Bradshaw for the Giants. The 49ers, Frank Gore. Dallas Clark for the Colts. Rookie insert, Eric Decker for Broncos. Carson Palmer for the Bengals. And Reggie Wayne for the Colts. Steven Jackson for the Rams. Brandon Marshall for the Dolphins. This would be nice to be autographed. John Elway, rookie ticket, non-auto. Chad Ochocinco and Rashard Mendenhall for the Steelers. Vince Young for the Titans. Randy Moss for the Titans. For the Giants, Brandon Jacobs. McNabb for the Skins. And Green Ellis for New England. Still a couple hits left here. Anquan Bolden for the Ravens. Keem Nicks for the Giants. Golden Tate, insert, for Seattle. Clay Matthews for the Packers. And Wes Welker for the Patriots. D'Angelo Williams for the Panthers. Darren McFadden for the Raiders. Rookie ticket auto for the Falcons, Dominique Franks. I don't know if that's a short print or not. I didn't realize he was in this, but wow. Maybe we got an extra one for the Bills, Ed Wang, rookie ticket auto. Back to back, 2 in a pack. So hopefully that was a mistake and we get an extra one. Steve Smith for the Panthers and Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles. Believe that was 5 autos. It may have only been 4. For the Browns, Josh Cribbs. For the Chargers, Antonio Gates. Legendary insert for the Redskins, Art Monk. Johnny Knox for the Bears, and Sean McCoy for the Eagles. The Cowboys, Tony Romo. Ray Rice for the Ravens. Jim Brown for the Browns, legendary insert. No Sean Marino for the Broncos, and Mike Williams for the Seahawks. For the Dolphins, Ronnie Brown. Jets, Mark Sanchez. It's a Bengals duel. Non-auto, Jermaine Gresham and Jordan Shipley. Nice duel for Cincinnati. Maurice Jones-Drew for Jacksonville, and Steve Breston for the Cardinals. For the Texans, Andre Johnson. For the Buccaneers, Kellen Winslow Jr. Jimmy Clausen, rookie insert for the Panthers. Calvin Johnson for the Lions, and Matt Hasselbeck for the Seahawks. For the Vikings, Adrian Peterson. For the Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. Another one would be nice if this was autographed. Nope. For the Packers, Bart Starr, Super Bowl ticket. Dwayne Bowe for the Chiefs, and Matt Ryan for the Falcons. The Cowboys, Jason Witten. Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. Another Super Bowl ticket. Ken Stabler for the Raiders. Drew Brees for the Saints, and Michael Crabtree for the 49ers. The Giants, Eli Manning. Ben Watson for the Browns. It's a duel to the Chiefs, Eric Berry and Joe Hayden. Tom Brady for the Patriots, and Jay Cutler for the Bears. Bruce Gradkowski for the Raiders. For the Bucks, Cadillac Williams. For the Chargers, Ryan Matthews, rookie insert. Hayward Bay for the Raiders, and Brandon Lloyd for Denver. Oh, sorry about that. Chad Henne for the Dolphins. Joe Flacco for my hometown, the Ravens. We have a numbered Rookie of the Year contenders for the Rams. Wrong Ram. Marty Gilliard, Rookie of the Year contenders. Numbered to 50. For the 49ers, Vernon Davis. And for the Jaguars, David Gerard. What's the time on that? Are we getting close to 15 minutes?
8:50.
Oh, we got plenty of time. Plenty of time. All right, for the Steelers, Troy Polamalu. Got another numbered cards coming. I see a 9 hanging out of the corner there. For the Packers, Donald Driver. It's a shame this is numbered and not autographed, but Des Bryant, 31 of 99. Rookie ticket. Not too bad, but auto would have been much better. Jeremy Maclin for the Eagles, and Kyle Orton for the Broncos. Well, it looks like we're supposed to get 2 autos in a pack. I was hoping that was an extra, but we'll see. Got about 4 packs left here. Braylon Edwards for the Jets. For the Browns, Peyton Hillis. Phil Simms, Super Bowl ticket for the Giants. Larry Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. And for the Bears, Matt Forte, base. 3 packs left. Josh Freeman for the Bucks. For the Bills, Lee Evans. Rolando McClain for the Raiders, rookie insert. Marshawn Lynch for the Seahawks, and Sims Walker for the Jaguars. Sean Green for the Jets, Miles Austin for the Cowboys, and it looks like we did get an extra rookie ticket auto. Unfortunately not a big one, but we did get a 6th auto for the Steelers. Jason World. Probably botched that totally up. Sorry, Steelers fans. For Arizona, Tim Hightower. And for the Saints, Marquise Colston. Alright, and for the golden ticket. Highly doubt it, but we'll see. For the Chargers, Malcolm Floyd. For the Texans, Arian Foster. Wow. 7 autos. For the Eagles, Mike Kafka. Rookie ticket auto. Wow. It's a shame we didn't get any big hits, but we did get 7 autos, I believe. Also for the Eagles, Michael Vick. And for the Lions, Matt Stafford. That's it, guys. This was Contenders box LF319179273. Hang on to that. And not an overall bad break. We did get 7 autos, I believe. I'm just going back through the hits here. And I am very careful when shipping things out. I may have been wrong. It was 6. Thought it was 7. Okay. 6 autos. Thought it was 7. There's the hits. Rookie autos. I will try to get all this in the mail tomorrow, at the latest Tuesday. Thank you to everybody who joined. And certainly send me a message if you have any questions. Going to try to do a few more of these this week, so keep checking everything out, and thank you all for joining.